Oh well, let's look at it. It's actually pretty good. The main thing I would say for me in the dancing, uh, is that the arms are too similar in patterns. A little bit too much the same, right? Especially right here when they go sideways the same. It's a little symmetrical of a pattern. Let's try to make it a little less symmetrical, okay? But I like it. It looks pretty good. Yeah. I would say when right here, you might want to move the head a little bit more to the side where the leg on the floor is for the weight, and then switch it like you did. That works on the other leg that's gonna land, and then that works. Okay, so do those subtle changes. That would be pretty cool. Let me see. So yeah, that works for now. Okay, thank you.